Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for all the notifications. In this video, I'm reorganizing a few areas in my kitchen, the spice cabinet and the second pantry, and we are starting off in the spice cabinet. We bought a new Lazy Susan and we decided to use it for the spices. So we decided to use the stair board organizer for the supplements we use daily in the second pantry. So anyway, I just wanted to come on and tell you guys that I know we've kind of been doing a lot of organization in the kitchen and everything, but we wanted to kind of make that spice area. What we wanted to do, can't even talk. Use what's called I call it the stair board. I don't really know what it's called. Stair board organizer, and since Aldi had this right here, what I'm showing you right there, had this for $12.99. We decided to get it, and we used it in the spice cabinet, and so we're going to use the stair board thingy in the what we call the second pantry. So anyway, and I'm cleaning the stair board things off right now because they got a lot of, got some food and got some stuff on it and all that stuff. So anyway, as I continue to organize the spice cabinet, I will come back on and talk to you guys a little bit later, and I'll play some music right now. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Okay guys, so I'm kind of giving you an overall look at the second pantry, and I just kind of redid everything and just kind of reorganized it a little bit. Everything over here on this side kind of stayed the same. Nothing really changed. The only thing that really changed was this right here. So we added these stair step thingies over here, so that way we could kind of spread this stuff out more. And then we got another one like up here too. And of course this Lazy Susan. So anyway, that's what we did. So let me show you the next thing. Okay, and in this is our spice cabinet and kind of like baking cabinet too. And we bought this Lazy Susan thing at Aldi for $12.99. And we just put all of our spices over here and a little bit of baking stuff over here on this side. So anyway, that's it for that. So I thought I'd pop back in for a little bit here. As you can see, I am cleaning out my car, or cleaning up my car, however you want to say it. Yeah, this was the weekend I was going to my mom's house and my car had been a mess. I mean, I don't clean my car out very much. And I'll be honest with you guys, and it was, I mean, it wasn't really like nasty per se, but I had quite a bit of stuff in there that really didn't need to be in there. I had 3 or 4 like umbrellas, and I'm like, we don't need that many in that car. So anyway, so I was just kind of cleaning it out and giving it a little bit of a clean before I head out to my mom's house. Okay, enjoy some more music and you'll hear me at the end of the video. Okay guys, I'm kind of giving you an overview. I probably should have done this kind of before I cleaned it, but whatever. I just basically try to vacuum the carpet in here. Oop, I forgot I had to zoom in. Here we go. Anyway, I cleaned the carpet as good as I could with the vacuum. I just needed to kind of clean my car out a little bit. I put all the reusable bags that we use and stuff like that in this thing and all that stuff, but it's all been clean and everything. All the seats have been vacuumed. And we go to the other side, and as you can see here, yeah, it's all been vacuumed, and I've tried to do the best I could. But anyway, yeah, without having to go to like a car wash to get it clean. And here we go. Driver's side, like I said, it is about as good as it's gonna get. But anyway, I didn't do a car detail clean, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys that yes, I did kind of clean out my stuff here. So anyway, my car is good to go to my mom's house. Okay guys, so this is it for my video. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, do all the things. Okay guys, see you guys next time. Bye.